back to my channel. So today we are gonna do this look. This is the original classic black eyeliner with red lips. Now I wanted to do something really different, not the usual red lip, so I did this lip, which is neon chili red lip, and I think it looks very fresh, very vibrant, and it makes me... So if you want to know how to get this look, keep on watching. I'm gonna start off with a foundation first, guys, and the foundation that I'm using today, actually this is a professional range. This is the Camouflage Creme by Krylon. This is the Derma color, and actually this is the bridal art collection. This retails for rupees 1700, and there are somewhere 1 2 3 4 5 6 shades in this, and I'm gonna take the shade D&1/2. That's the name of the shade, and using my Pack 307 brush, I'm just gonna apply this all over. Going with my LA Girl concealer. Using my beauty blender, I'm just gonna blend this. I'm gonna go a little bougie to set my eye. I'm using this is the Chanel translucent powder, and I'm gonna apply this under my eye. Bronzing my face with the Wet n Wild bronzer. I'm gonna apply my Glam lip scrub. My lips are gonna be exfoliated by the time we apply our lipstick. I'm taking my Makeup Revolution Flawless 4 palette, and I'm gonna go with the Bone shade out here. This one. I'm gonna apply it all over my lid. No, we are not using any primer today because this is gonna be a classic eyeliner, so no primer needed for that. I'm applying the Bone shade just for my lids to look a little brightened. Using a shader brush, I'm gonna go with a shimmery golden color. You can go with any shade that you want. I'm going with this shade out here, and I'm gonna apply that right on my lids. And I'm going to apply this only till my crease line, not over above that. And with the same brush, I'm going to blend it in as well. I think this applies better with the finger. I'm going to go with the finger and apply the shimmer shade. Yes, this looks gorgeous. I mean, use your finger to apply the foil or shimmer shade. I think they work better with the finger rather than the brush. We're gonna create a classic wing liner. Now I have some options for my liner. There is Miss Claire Artist Pen Eyeliner. There is NYX Waterproof Liner. Then there is Nykaa. This is Black Magic Liquid Liner. And then there's Hyper Ink Liquid Liner by Maybelline. Now, by the way, for these two, I've heard really bad reviews. This is the Maybelline Hyper Ink and the Nykaa Black Magic. I've heard really bad reviews about this. I don't know whether should I give them a chance or I should go with my favorite, which is the NYX. I mean, I use this everywhere. I mean, all my looks has this, and also the Miss Claire one. I think let's go with the Nykaa. Let's give it a chance. Let's see how it goes. But I have a feeling it's not gonna go well, but hoping for the best. And I'm just gonna make a classic liner. Guys, the wand of this is shit. This is of course not a good wand. I see why people don't like this. Baby, she looks sharp. She looks sharp. But having said that, this is not... I'm not a fan of this. I'm so disappointed. There's nothing that beats the NYX liner. I'm sure about that. We're gonna apply some blush on our cheeks, some definition because it looks really pale. And here we go. By the way, I'm using the MAC Gingerly. I know you might say she always uses this, but boss, when I'm doing a bold lip, a red lip, I can't wear something which is really pinkish or really bright. Shit. I overdid my blush. Anyways, I'm gonna wipe off my lip scrub. Now I'm taking the lip liner by PAC. This is the PAC Precisionist lip liner in Afterglow. It's quite tall, like you can see. I'm gonna fill this in with the Faces Altine Pro Matte Lip Crayon, and this is Runway Ready in 31. She's pigmented, guys. This looks so good. Wing liner and red lips never go out of fashion. They are the classic, guys. For my mascara, I'm gonna go with the MAC Zoom Water Fast Lash, and I really like the way my lashes feel when I apply this mascara. It is really good. And no, I'm not gonna wear any lashes today because I want to keep it a little raw, you may say. Or you can also assume that I ran out of lashes. Whatever you want to think. For my highlighter, I'm first going to use the Wet n Wild Color Icon. This is a shimmery blush, but because this color is so muted and skin-like, I'm first going to apply this. It gives a very subtle sheen. And I'm also going to go with the PAC highlighter, and this is the shade 06, and very slightly apply this on my highest points. Guys, this is the final look. My liner is sharp and ready. My lips are all too much. I'm loving the tone of this red lip. This is the Neon Chili red lip. Now, also to add to the formula of this crayon lipstick is really good. Face is doing a really good job with these crayons. I also have a muted shade in this called Cashmere, and it's a shade that suits anybody and everybody. I totally and I strongly recommend it. So if you have liked this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Do not also forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload a video. You can also follow me on my Instagram and Facebook. That all is The Makeup by Cynthia. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.